Hi, this is Firestarter, and this is a review of the S.H.Figuarts Kamen Rider Grease Blizzard from Kamen Rider build. So this is the packaging, really cool. What it looks like is very similar to other build riders, and then at the back we have 3 poses only for Kamen Rider Grease Blizzard. So I'm really excited to open this one because this is a cool figure overall. So let's open the box so I can tell you more about Grease Blizzard. The S.H.Figuarts Kamen Rider Grease Blizzard represents Kazumi's final form using the build driver, Grease Blizzard Knuckle, loaded with the North Blizzard full bottle. As the theme suggests, there is an immediate color change from gold to icy blue. The Blizzard Knuckle gimmick is the same with Cross Z Magma, wherein you close the front-facing panels to form the Knuckle mode. The bottle is already inside. You can remove it, but there is no point of doing so at this point. Most prominent is the addition of a claw replacement on his left hand, called the GBZ Demolition 1. Unfortunately, this set only includes 2 hands. So this is a side-by-side comparison between Grease's default form or base form and Grease Blizzard, the upgrade form. So aside from the changes from the belt use of the build driver against the this driver right here, some of the parts or parts that were translucent plastic has been changed to solid plastic. So for example, the accents right here are now solid plastic, but the inner panels right here are still translucent. It is not a total repaint because some of the extremities right here from the leg down, even the feet are different now. This is more armored than this version of Kamen Rider Grease. And then the paint application on the accents on the bottles on the shoulders are different too. So that is a repaint. The forearms are different now because even if you take a look at the back, this one is very smooth, but this one has different panels over here. And then at the back we have differences on the paint application, but yeah, it's the same, almost the same thing. And then the head now is it's not a full translucent plastic cap, aside like Grease right here. So this one is solid, and then at the back where you can see the black lines right here, now it's it's in translucent plastic. So it's a mixture of solid and translucent plastic overall. So let's go through the articulation points for Kamen Rider Grease Blizzard. So let's go through the articulation points for this figure. Similar to Kamen Rider Grease, we have a head and neck articulation, the shoulders do move. It has a ball joint here, and then bicep sole, double jointed elbow, upper torso, and waist articulation. I'm glad to know that the belt is loose from the waist, so you have more articulation from moving the torso from left to right or make a circular motion right here. And then we have leg articulation, moving the leg in and out. So just going through quickly on the articulation points. So if you need more information, well, this is just basically almost the same joint system with Kamen Rider Grease. The only addition is the claw that goes that has joints right here. Only the top parts move up and down, but other than that, it is on a ball joint too, so you can move it or twist it if you want to. The only complaint I have with the figure is the knuckle right here, because it's kind of loose. You can try to really push it down all the way when it is on the driver, but it has a tendency to detach itself from the belt. So other than that, we have all the cool details from left to right, and then and this one is quite different, like I mentioned, and some of the molds are different, but not all, because it still retains some of the Kamen Rider Grease's details. So those are the things that you need to know about Kamen Rider Grease Blizzard. In my opinion, this final form looks better with the mix of the blue metallic paint and the black translucent plastic. Sure, there are parts that look like they were repainted, but it's not all that. It helps that you have a side-by-side comparison on hand to appreciate the difference between both figures, as the smaller details or upgrades from his Blizzard form does make a lot to compensate for the lack of accessories. On the flip side, I wish there could have been more that is included with, like other Tamashii effects. And that is my review of the S.H.Figuarts Kamen Rider Grease Blizzard. If you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video, and don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more S.H.Figuarts reviews.